Welcome to another lesson. Today we're going to focus in on the T sound, particularly in the sound tuhn. Now this sound is very common in the American English language. You will see that it is spelled differently. T-A-I-N, T-A-N, T-E-N, T-I-N, T-O-N. But the sound is the same. Listen as I say these words, and then afterwards we'll practice. Okay, listen first. Chieftain, Manhattan, lighten, bulletin, carton. Now let's practice these sounds in some sentences. I'll say the sentence first, and then I want you to repeat after me. Central Park is in the heart of Manhattan. You try. Central Park is in the heart of Manhattan. Number 2. The bulletin board in the lobby displayed an important announcement. Again, the bulletin board in the lobby displayed important announcements. Three, he decided to study Latin to enhance his language skills. He decided to study Latin to enhance his language skills. Well, this is our lesson for today. Be sure to practice 10 to 15 minutes each day to make permanent improvement in your accent and pronunciation. Bye for now.